The 7 money habits that guarantee you'll be wealthy. Most people think wealth is about luck, talent, or being born into the right family. But the truth is much simpler. Wealth is a habit. If you practice these 7 habits consistently, you're not hoping to become wealthy, you're guaranteeing it. Habit 1, track. Every dollar. Wealth doesn't begin with earning more money. It begins with knowing exactly where your money is going. Most people don't have an income problem. They have a leak problem, small purchases, forgotten subscriptions, spontaneous spending. It all adds up. Wealthy people know their numbers because you can't control what you don't track. Habit 2, pay yourself first. The average person saves whatever is left after spending. Wealthy people flip that around. They pay themselves first. Even if it's $10, save first. Invest first. Spend what's left, not the other way around. Habit 3, live below your means. Living below your means isn't about being cheap, it's about being strategic. Your wealth is determined by the gap between what you earn and what you keep. Grow that gap and your wealth grows with it. Rich people don't buy things to look rich, they invest in things that make them rich. Habit 4, turn your money into employees. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. Every dollar you invest becomes a tiny employee working 24 hours a day. Stocks, index funds, businesses, real estate. These are your workers. The more employees you have, the faster you reach freedom. Habit 5, learn about money. Every day, wealthy people never stop learning. Not because they want to impress anyone, but because they understand that you can't win a game you don't understand. Read 10 pages. Watch a lesson. Learn one new financial idea every day. Knowledge compounds faster than money. Habit 6, build multiple streams of income. One income is too close to zero. If one paycheck controls your life, you're not secure, you're vulnerable. Rich people diversify, a job, a side hustle, investments, digital assets, real estate. You don't need multiple streams today. You just need to start building one more. Habit 7, delay gratification. This is the millionaire superpower. Most people want rewards immediately, but wealthy people choose long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. Every time you delay gratification, you're telling your future self, I've got you. That discipline compounds into wealth that lasts a lifetime. These 7 habits aren't theories, they're the blueprint. Follow them long enough, and wealth becomes inevitable. Start today. Start small. Start with one habit, and watch your life transform. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more motivational finance lessons. Your journey to wealth has already begun.